Welcome to Weiler Labeling Systems. Thank you for joining us for today's presentation. For 30 years, we have been building some of the most advanced pressure-sensitive labelers in the industry. Weiler Labeling Systems has been a ProMock Pharma brand since 2017, and we are located in Morristown, New Jersey, which is approximately 20 minutes from the Philadelphia International Airport. Our equipment is designed, manufactured, and serviced right here in the United States, and sold primarily to the pharmaceutical and medical device industries. Today, we have over 450 labelers installed with most major pharmaceutical manufacturers. Our success has been due to the robust design of our equipment and the ability of our trained field service technicians to ensure 100% customer satisfaction, resulting in many repeat machine orders. Our experienced sales, technical, and service staffs are ready to assist you with your next project. Thank you for the time and the opportunity.
Thank you for your interest in Weiler Labeling Systems. Our team is here to ensure your success with your next labeling project.